So today I'm going to show you how to do an automatic withdrawal on Vanguard. So what we're going to do is hop over here on the screen so you can follow along here in real time. So we're here on the main screen of my Vanguard account. And so what we're going to do is actually go through this process. So up here at the top, you're going to see where it says My Account. So when you hover over My Account, it's going to pretty much let you go through here and choose a couple different options. We want to click on Profile and Account Settings. Now, this is one of the newest updates when it comes to Vanguard. So if yours looks a little different, maybe it's a little outdated, or maybe things have changed in the future. So what we're going to do here is going to have an option that says automatic withdrawal. So if we click on it right over here, it's going to take us to this next page over here. Now, keeping in mind that depending on how your Vanguard account is structured, there might be some limitations. So you're going to see that here in just a second. So from right over here, you can see where it says add automatic transactions. So we're going to click on that and go to the next page. So from right over here, you can see you can set up an automatic withdrawal. Now, because the accounts that we are under the age of 59 and a half to be able to withdraw from an IRA account, which is what this is with us for Vanguard. It won't allow us to actually go through this process. But if you do have a regular account with Vanguard, or you are having a retirement account that you want to have automatic withdrawals from, go ahead and choose the account that you want to have that money coming out of, and then click on the continue button from right over here. And that's going to take you to that next step to choose how much you want to have, when you want to have it pulled out, and from which funds you want that to be pulled out from. Now, I want you to keep on learning more when it comes to using Vanguard, so check out my next video right over here on screen. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.